All right, we're hanging out at SeaWorld today, and more walls have been added up around Mako. Oh, wait a minute, I see something. I see something. I see some purple track. I don't know if you can see it, but I see it. They've got lots of stuff up around sharks. This whole area is just going to be awesome. Make our way through the people. Over yonder is some equipment. Oh, we don't care about that. We see the first piece of track. Well, it's probably not the first piece, but it's definitely here. Everybody looking, sitting at the bathroom. We have track. Yes, and we're walking around to the bathroom. Yes, we know there's no access to the park, but this is where we want to be. How cool. Our first piece of track, and it's a brake run. So cool. I get somebody who's trying to tell me something. And we'll go that way. And now we'll go back this way. And yes, feel the power. Da, da, da. And the walls are even looking festive for Christmas. Lots of festive looking walls. Concept art everywhere. We honestly don't get here as much as we'd like to, but let's see what we can see from this side. Oh yeah, there it is. And people, of course, are looking at us weird because let's see what we can find. Peeking through the holes here. Probably not much. Oh, sorry. Yeah, you can't see much. But you know, we always have to look. Oh yeah. And that's about it for our Mako update. Not much else happening. Let's see what we can see. There we go. I'm reminded of an old song that Bugs Bunny sang. Something about peeping through a knothole in Grandpa's wooden leg or something like that. Let's see, we'll try this knothole. God, this is gonna be like the worst video ever. There we go. And let's see. Oh, there we go. So if you're not familiar with what Mako's going to do, it's going to be the tallest, fastest coaster in Orlando. It's going to start way off over there at the beginning of the park, actually close by Aquatica, and come all the way back over here. Or maybe it's going to end over here. I don't know. It's going to be one big coaster tallest, fastest, longest. It's going to be huge. So that opens in 2016, and we are excited about it, obviously. So thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.